Hey friends, if camera is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Let us assume that the issue is application specific initially. Let's say that you are facing it with Teams. So click on these three dots and go to settings, go to devices, and make sure that the right camera is selected here because this is the most common reason for the problem. Okay, once this is sorted, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab, go to camera, make sure that the camera access button is on and also the Microsoft Teams button is on. Then go to Windows Update and install each and every update on your system. Lastly, search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list for cameras, right click and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.